Yes, we have discussed all about the real functions, their graphs, what is domain and what is the range of those functions. Just take a recap what type of functions we have already studied. We have studied identity function where the graph is what we call that straight line passing through origin. Second is a constant function where the graph is horizontal. Polynomial functions, it may be a curve type. Then rational functions, it is a ratio of two functions. Modulus function, whose image is always positive. Greatest integer function, whose image is always integral, not a fraction. And signum function, whose images contains or whose range contains only 0, 1 and -1. After discussion of all these functions, we must know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of these four operation of given functions. These are the four basic operations on a function. What are the rules? Are the addition of function is similar to that of just addition of number, or it is different? Any properties are there that we'll discuss in this video. Now look at here, we are talking about addition of two real functions. Functions are said to be real if all the images are real number. So first function f is defined on set x. Second function z is also defined on set x, means domain of both of the function is same. So in that case, how do we define addition of two functions? So f plus z of x, isn't it? F plus z is a function which is from x to r. So we got new function which is the addition of given two function. But how to get image under that function? So it is f plus z of x. So image of x under this new function is same as f of x plus z of x. Remember this rule, how to find image of this new function. It is just addition of given two function. It will be easy to understand if you take example. For example, I have first function, say f of x is defined as x plus 5, and another function I have z of x which is defined as 3x. Okay, we have two functions, first is x plus 5 and second is 3x. We will find out f plus z, addition of two function. I want f plus z of x. This is a new function, addition of two given function. What rule says? F plus z of x is same as f of x plus z of x. So what is the f of x? X plus 5. And what is the z of x? 3x. So I can add these two functions and I got x plus 3x is a 4x plus 5. So like that I got a new function. This is called f of x plus z of x. It's addition of two functions. Now look at this second example where f of x is x square plus 5 and z of x is modulus of x. So what is addition of these two functions? F plus z of x, it is same as f of x plus z of x. The first function is x square plus 5 and second is modulus of x. So like this we got new function. As addition is commutative, means f of f plus z is same as z plus f. So when we have function f defined on x, function z defined on x, and f minus z is again a difference of two set is defined on x. So how will you define that? The function f minus z is defined in such a way that f minus z of x means image of x can be calculated as f of x minus g of x. So see, it is very simple. Direct subtraction of two functions gives you difference of two functions. So a simple thing, if you take an example, suppose I have a first function f of x is equals to something x square plus 1 and another function g of x which is something x minus 3, then I can determine a new function which is a difference of given two function f minus g of x. It is by rule f of x minus g of x, where x square plus 1 is a f of x minus g of x is a x minus 3. So what is the subtraction? X square plus 1, negative x, negative of negative positive 3, and finally you will get x square minus x plus 4. So this is your what we call that f minus g of x, a new function which is a difference of given two functions. Just check one more example. F of x is negative x, g of x is x square. I want to find out difference of two functions. So f minus g of x is defined as f of x minus g of x. What is the first function? Negative x minus g of x is x square, and finally minus x square. So I can rearrange x minus x square minus x. This is your f minus g of x. This is a new function. The given function can be multiplied by some scalar. Suppose a given function f of x is something x square plus 2, then some k time f is a new function. Original function is f, which is multiplied by some constant k. K is a constant, k is not a function, some number. So k f of x is defined as k time f of x. Just that function is multiplied by constant. For example, your f of x is suppose x square plus 2, then 3f of x. 3f is a new function, and how to get the image? It is same as 3 times f of x. So 3 times the given function x square plus 2. So that is 3x square plus 2. So this is a function which is a scalar multiple. Means given function is multiplied by 3, means 3f is again a function which is a multiple of f.